Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am unbelievably excited to share this brand new project with you. This time I used the Recollections Bright Year paper pack. I got this from Michaels. It was actually the same Michaels that I purchased my very first set of scrapbooking tools, and I had way too much fun with this one. Chipboard cover and spine. So right here on the front, again, I fussy cut these little images out and I kind of angled them to fit on there nicely, and I have like an indicator for a photo right there, but this time I wanted to use a lightning bolt and I thought that would be fun. And then I have like this acetate little situation going on, little magnetic closure, wraps around the back, composition notebook foil accenting going on. And this was specially named by one of our YBM community students, Beth. She's actually from Minnesota, so this is called the Minnesota album. And I had way too much fun. Thanks, Beth, for that amazing name. I love it so much. So right here, we've got an acetate 1/3 page and pocket. So we've got like this whole new little spread here. Extremely excited. So that acetate pocket can hold some pictures. So this is 100% all 4x6, no cropping out of this entire book. You can hold 30 pictures in here. We've got some vertical styles going on, and then the rest are going to be horizontal style pictures. Love the lightning bolt. I got that actually from Hobby Lobby. On the back, I actually just kind of glued partially that little fussy cut image there and tucked some more little cut parts in there. So a cute little tag. Love it so much. Everything folds back up, and then you can really put more in this pocket than I have in here. Love all the little pencils and glue. I just thought it was way too cute. I fussy cut around this and just stuck it right on that little faux belly band. All these little images are kind of overlapping here, and I created my own little tab. I actually fussy cut and hand cut that one out. It wasn't from any particular punch. Again, another 4x6 vertical style picture on the back. My teacher right here, I just cut that out. Isn't that so cute? I just got the images and I just cut directly to the very edge for this particular style, and I got a little star and heart there and some journaling paper so we can write some notes if we wanted to. And if you've never sat in class with me before, I'll leave this free one up here for you to check out to see if it's something you'd like to learn from. So I've got these really cool little fussy cut images here. This was super fun to make. We've got a magnetic closure in here, and these all kind of just flap out and reveal the rest of those 4x6 photo spots. I thought it was so fun to kind of have like a cascading layering effect. And it's so simple to do. And we've got magnets in it. And I've got my favorite magnets, all my favorite tools and supplies I use down in the description as well. New adventure. I cut that little border strip out. And then this is a 4x6 photo spot, of course. And then there's more picture space in here. I love school. Love this rainbow page. And then there's more access down here for pictures as well. And so these flaps kind of just build off of each other. We've got a cute little globe down here. Just loved fussy cutting around that. It was so simple and easy to do. And then I kind of customized my own piece here. So I love school, and I got like a little arrow there. And then this one opens up again. Take note. Now here are all the rest of the waterfall flaps. So horizontal style, again, no cropping necessary. And then we've got picture space, little fussy cutting images, journaling space. I like to put the photos on the white cardstock here. That way these kind of just stay concise with each other. But you can really add as many pictures in here as you want. You could probably double it, and it came together so unbelievably quick. You can even do some journaling on the back of there, even if you wanted. And right here on the back base, I've got like this cute little reading list. I just journaled around that real quick, and I just thought that was fantastic. I fussy cut around these little books as well. And then all these 11 flaps fold back together. I know I say I have fun with every single paper pack I use, but this time I really think this one totally takes a cake on it. Thanks again, Beth, for helping me name this book. I've had so much fun teaching how to make it. And I'll leave the tutorial for this exact design down in the description for you. Wishing you all an amazing day, and I'll see you in class. Bye.